If you're seeing a Chrome error 503, don't panic. This usually means the website is having a temporary server problem, a traffic spike, or short-lived connection issue on your end. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get the page loading again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, refresh the page and give it a moment. A 503 error is often caused by a temporary server glitch or a micro reboot, so the site may come back on its own after a short wait. Try waiting 30 to 60 seconds before refreshing again. If the page is stuck showing the same error, force Chrome to request a fresh version of the page by using Ctrl plus F5 on Windows, or Command plus Shift plus R on Mac. This helps bypass the local cache and can clear out a saved error screen. Next, check whether the site is down globally. Before changing your browser or network settings, it's smart to confirm whether the website is actually offline for everyone. Open a status checking site, like Down for Everyone or Just Me, paste in the website address, and see what it reports. If the site is down for everyone, then the issue is most likely on the website side, and all you can do is wait until the administrators finish fixing it. If the site is not down globally, the next step is to clear Chrome cache and cookies. Over time, old cached files or corrupted cookies can interfere with loading a website properly. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete in Chrome, choose Cookies and Other Site Data, and select Cached Images and Files. Set the time range to all time, then click Delete Data. After that, restart Chrome and try loading the page again. This simple step fixes a surprising number of browser errors. Now let's test the site in an Incognito window. Extensions like ad blockers, coupon tools, privacy filters, or custom script blockers can sometimes send extra requests in the background and trigger a server or firewall block. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N on Windows, or Command plus Shift plus N on Mac to open an Incognito window. Then try visiting the website again. If it loads normally in Incognito, that's a strong sign one of your extensions is causing the issue. To find the problem extension, click the three dots in Chrome, hover over Extensions, and choose Manage Extensions. From there, turn your active extensions off one by one, then reload the site each time to see which one is causing the error. Once you find the culprit, you can leave it disabled or remove it entirely if needed. If the error still appears, cycle your router and network. Sometimes a local DNS issue or a bad gateway lease can stop Chrome from reaching the server correctly. Unplug your router's power cable for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for the connection to fully restart. After that, try the website again. You can also test your mobile data by turning off Wi-Fi and opening the site on your phone using cellular data. If it works on mobile data but not on your home connection, the issue is likely with your local network or IP routing. By following these steps in order, you can usually identify whether Chrome error 503 is caused by the website itself, your cache, your extensions, or your network. Start with the quickest checks first, then move into the deeper fixes until the page loads properly again. If this video helped you out, please like this video and subscribe for more easy browser troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.